We're here in Ocean View, Delaware. Here on the estimate, you can see we got a mess here. A lot of moisture, a lot of condensation on the ductwork. The bladder tank and the water pump, they're condensating. See those tunnels, them two tunnels in that insulation? That comes from like a mouse or a rat. All right, we're all finished. Everything turned out really well. Completely dry up in here. This was an addition. I believe it used to be an old garage, and they built over top of it. This is all concrete floor. Here's your old steps that used to go into the main part of the house.